Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So igame elandelayo Bafana Bafana bayodlala against iNigeria. Kuyigame ezobaleka kakhulu le for iBafana Bafana because if they win this game bazoya kwi-World Cup ya next year ngo-2026. So le game libaleka kakhulu. Umuntu uvele uhlala eBloemfontein hamba uyothenga ithikithi bafethu. Ama-tickets available right now. Hamba nyothenga ama-tickets akakaphuma usold out. Igame ezodlala kusasa kumele ibe usold out. Kumele si-introduce iNigeria la sishaye kahle mase siyale kwi-World Cup. So it's a must win game for iBafana Bafana. So mina nayi lineup engayishaya mase ngithola ithuba. Nawe ungangitshela lineup yakho wangibhalela lineup yakho kuma comments but ke nayi yami ungayigxeke yami ungitshele nje wena eyakho uthi kanjani yabo. Based on isquad esinaso for me I think it's possible for iBafana Bafana ukuthi qualify for World Cup. Yabo le Nigeria ade ngiyibona idlala against iRwanda ayinginikezi uvalo. Yabo ayinginikezi uvalo nje le Nigeria la isengashaya singayishaya nje kalula. So nayi mina lineup engayikhetha mase ngithola ithuba yabo. Straight epaleni bafethu angifuna ukuchaza kakhulu Ronwen Williams. Ronwen Williams is the current goalkeeper engamkhetha for iBafana Bafana. Umjidi uyawazi umsebenzi wakhe. He is the current captain of iBafana Bafana. He knows uyawu sidingani yabo. Umedlalo iBafana Bafana wenza show ukuthi umjidi uya excel. So angifune ukukhuluma into eyiningi ngoRonwen Williams. Uyena goalkeeper for me engamkhetha epaleni. Mhlambe ke sipho chain mase siwina sim-introduce second half athole lowo minutes yabo. Noma Messi wina le game le ama game awuthwala ndela aBafana Bafana Messi wina le because vele sobe sesiqualifyile yabo. Zobe sengim-introduce uSipho Chain sesesiwadlala lawo ma games ekhona uSipho Chain as goalkeeper yabo. But ke for me Ronwen Williams uyena ngamqalisa against iNigeria. Mase ukuthi the two center backs angifuni ukushintsha kakhulu. Last lineup prediction bengiqalise le thule nale futhi angifuni ukuya le, angifuni kulo ngishintsha kakhulu uMbokazi. For me uMbokazi bafethu umjida uyena engamkhetha fina for igame iNigeria yabo. I think he is capable of stopping those guys. Ademola Lookman, he is the only guy currently mina engibona ukuthi iBafana Bafana ingaba nenkinga ekumvimbeni because vele Victor Osimhen akasekho. But ke vele nawo uLookman yabo. uLookman ade agcina ukuthi athole game time adlale kahle. Yezwa nje kuthiwa ubengekho kwi-preseason with the club ayidlalelayo le Italy. So naye umjida akanayo form right currently. So I don't think iBafana Bafana izothola kanzima ngale wendlela emuva. But ke ukuba noMbokazi lapha ngasebenzela kakhulu ukuthi ungezana vele udlala eEurope yabo. Udlala kuyona ilevel yabo labo Lookman, udlala kuyona ilevel yabo labadlali laba beNigeria yabo. Badlala le phela eEurope most yabo. So ungezana ngamfaka mfethu umjida uprovide leyo height, uprovide for the strength uzokwazi ukumelana nama forwards eNigeria. So iyona center back pairing mina engayisebenzisa le. Thabo Moloisane last game he was very good. Unfortunately wathola i-injury, umjida head injury. Sa introduce Undamane for me is too clumsy. I've watched ama games akhe kwi-TS Galaxy. I don't really rate Undamane that much, but he's a good center back, but he's too clumsy for my liking. But ke asazi mhlambe uHugo Bros angamqalisa kule game le. But for me I'll start ungezana with uMbokazi. Wangitshela wena center back pairing yakho kuma comments. Mase kuthi kwi right wing back I know Thabiso Monyane was introduced emva kokulimala kwalomfana lo uMobi. But ke for me uMdunyelwa really played well. Kule game esiphuma kuyona against iLesotho. So umjida ngamdlalisa mina kule right wing back position. Sifuna ukumbona eya more forward. Simbonile last game ubeya forward. Yonke sifuna ukuyibona as i-wing back. Because mezoqhubeka idlala kanje uzokwenza leya position kuBafana Bafana ibe more competitive because we have Van Rooyen, we have uModau who are injured. We have uThabiso Monyane who is really good for iKaizer Chiefs. Look at those four right wing backs. Kuzoba nzima for Hugo Bros ukuthi select isquad so hamba siyo represent iBafana Bafana le World Cup. Njalo abadlali bedlala kanje becompete kanje kule position asazike. Mase ukuthi ku left wing back bafethu Modiba bafethu. Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu. Modiba is the only left wing back esingayisebenzisa currently eperformayo la eSouth Africa. Pasadena joined Sundowns but ke angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu. Umjini udlalele kamnandi last game mfethu uAubrey Modiba. Even the cross ayishayile unkota, beautiful cross mfethu. Umjida impela was a contender for me ukuthi abe man of the match last game against Lesotho. But ke asazi man of the match atholoba I didn't really see. But ke for me na ngangizomnika uyena kube noSona Police. Badlala kamnandi noSona Police ileli side leli ba complementana indlela abadlala ngakhona. So Aubrey Modiba uyena ngamqalisa bafethu. So i-back four yami ikanje na ke bafethu. uMbokazi ungezana uMdunyelwa mase kububani kube lo mjida lo uModiba uMamelodi Sundowns. Iyona back four le. For me I think it's enough. Iqinile. For me iqinile nje to hold any threats coming from Nigeria. Mase ukuthi e-center abafethu angifuni futhi ukushintsha kakhulu. Tebogo Mokoena started against Lesotho. He played very well uTebogo Mokoena. Umjidi uyalazi ibhola with uTalente Mbatha, so ngabaqalisa bawu2 abajida badlale lapha. Yabo, last game badlalile vele bawu2, so ayikho into etheni engayishintsha ngabo, so yibone ngabaqalisa. Talente Mbatha, yes, mhlawumbe umunye umuntu angasho ukuthi amqalisa uSipho Mbule, but uSipho Mbule bafethu ngikhumbule phela ibafana le. Yabo, njengoba kuyibafana le ngathi singamphushela phezulu uSipho Mbule. Yabo, udlale kahle uSipho Mbule last game, but kule game le bele usithi ukushintsha kancane. Yabo, sithi ukushintsha kancane nje, so ngaqalisa le2 leswini esikuyobamba lapha because iNigeria siyazi inabadlali abagude abadlala eswini. Yabo, inabadlali abagude kakhulu abadlala eswini. No need lapha, they know how to command their position there. So sifuna ukuthi sisiqina kancane lapha eswini, sazi ukuthi ibhola so rotate kanjani, sazi ukuthi ibhola so libamba kanjani, si read game, sikwazi ukutake on abadlali. Umbatha kuyakwazi ukutake on, unesibindi kuMbatha, yonke engiyithanda ngayo. Bawu2 bayakwazi ukushootha, so iNigeria bayase ivule nje ispace, bawu2 abadlali bayakwazi khahlela bengaphandle kwebhokisi, so ama chances ukuthi score maningi kakhulu ngalama midfielders lawo u2 bayakwazi futhi ukungimaka bawu2, so iyona midfield pairing mina engayidlalisa against Nigeria. Mase ukuthi ama wingers futhi engawadlalisa against Nigeria. Right wing abafethu uMahawukota, we saw the young boy scoring against Lesotho last game, a beautiful goal from uMahawukota. Ngamqalisa mina uMahawukota as a right winger against Nigeria. Yabo, but when you look at the right winger position, for me I think we do need abanye abadlali. Yabo, we do need abo Elias Mokwana, we do need abadlali mfethu mhlambe abazo challenge lapha, because currently let's say uyalimala umjida uMahawukota. Yabo, we need abadlali abazodlala leya position. So currently ngamdlalisa uNkota, but ke so shintsha uba ukhona uSibelebele, yes ukhona uSibelebele, uba umunye umdlali. But for me uNkota currently he's playing very well, and futhi umjida usayingane usazodlala nje kubafana eminyaka ezayo eminingi. Yabo, so currently ngamdlalisa as a right winger. Masokuthi lapha left ngidlalise bani, ngidlalise Osina Police ngifuna ukuchaza kakhulu. Angifuni nje ukuchaza kakhulu, umjida uyi-star. For me he's a star. So iwona ke ama wingers lawo engawadlalisa abafethu. Osina Police ka left, masokuthi lapha ka right kuba uMahawukota. Yebo, Osina Police man of the match performance last game. Mahawukota scored a beautiful goal last game. Futhi Osina Police scored last game. Sesiza number 10 position. Last game umjida akayithola game time. I don't know, maybe mhlawumbe ucoach bemresta for le game le Nigeria, but for me I think ukuqalisa uMfukeng le game might be a good thing for you Bafana. Might be a good thing for you Bafana. The boy knows that position very well. Yabo, so for me ngamqalisa uMfukeng as number 10. Yabo, ungangitshela wena ngokwakho ungaqalisa ba, ungamqalisa uSipho Mbule. Maybe mhlawumbe umqalisa uSipho Mbule might be a good decision, because introducing uMfukeng second half yabo ngaba into right nalapho. But mina mhlawumbe ngam-introduce futhi noMduduzi Shabalala second half. Yabo, mase ukuthi up front ngastrikisa bani, ngastrikisa uLyle Foster is the only striker currently for me ngasiqalisa. Maybe na Ikram Reyners, bawu2 beno Ikram Reyners bamnandi. Yabo, so yona lineup mina engayidlalisa le bafethu kule game soyidlala against Nigeria. Ungangitshela wena ama comments ithini lana prediction yakho against Nigeria. Do you think le squad lesengisethile singakwazi ukuyithatha iNigeria siyinikeze igame yangempela?